Now let us talk about Galactic Cash. Galactic Cash is an online money-making platform that claims that you can make money by trading cryptocurrency. Their system is automated in that the system will be the one to buy the cryptocurrency at a lower price and it will sell it at a higher price. They claim that because of that automated system, and that system is very, very good, very, very efficient, it can buy cryptocurrency in seconds when it is at a lower price from one exchange, and then it will go on another exchange and sell it at a higher price. So maybe you can buy from Binance and then you can sell in Bybit, or you can buy from Kraken and then you go and sell in Bitgate. One of my users requested me to check, is this platform really legit? Is this platform a platform that you can invest in? And most especially, how long do I think it is going to last until it closes? That's the most important bit of it. Now, I went through this app or this site and I found so many negative signs. There were a little bit of few positives, but there were so many negative signs that you may need to be aware about. When I went on the sign up section for the page, when you look carefully, this site is really, really, really well developed. I looked at how the font type is well designed, the font type is similar. If you have been a member of this channel, you always know that I am always against font types, spelling errors, because it is common with the very many quick money-making sites. When you go inside the app itself, it's also fairly developed. They have listed several cryptocurrency, unlike the other scamming sites that do only list a few just for formality. A few, find this one has only listed a few just for formality. From here, I decided to conclude that these people here are experienced people. These people are experienced. This is not the first time these people are coming up with this quantitative trading app. They have ever scammed people. They have ever operated this platform, and now they know very well how it works, how they should display their items, how things are supposed to generally appear. Going back to the login section, I decided to do a quick search to see the source code for the site. Is the source code trusted? I mean, as I told you, some of these quick online money making sites, it doesn't need much technical expertise for somebody to set it up. It doesn't need that much knowledge. You can literally clone a site and then put it in a new address. And most of these people do not have technical expertise to do those complicated stuff. So what they do is, if they happen to come up with a site earlier on, they will go and then duplicate that site, and then they will change some few things. And that is where I found the source code. Now, if you're not into computer, you may not understand this, but my main point was, if you look at this point, there was a source code, if inode type, and clone. There were codes for cloning in their source code for their website, and I took to the interpreter, the reliable ChatGPT interpreter, and it confirmed that that code is used for cloning. They're doing what you call the deep cloning. Say you go and copy a site that has all the functionality here, from home to team to quantification to customer care and to user profile. All this information is going to get transferred. But now, in case you make any change, like to change the logo, change the name, change some few things, it will not affect everything in this other page. All these other pages will remain constant. So people who do deep cloning, they entirely take a previous scamming website and then they take it into a new address and they change a few things, but most of the functionalities will remain similar. That is what these people did. And so from there, I concluded that these people are not legit in any way, first of all. I went ahead and tried to read their privacy policy and compared it also with the terms of service. a quick thing to notice is that I found grammatical error, terms of service, terms, small t. This is a work of a critical scammer. Scammers always have some grammatical error or spelling errors in their work. This is an indicator. When you log into the site, for which when I was logging in, I used fake data. If you look at this email, this is me@gmail.com. And then I used this password, 1234 up to 78. I also used a fake telephone number and some fake username, and then a password, and it accepted me through. Again, there is no verification that you have to do when you're doing the sign up. When I look at this, there was an error in the information, the metadata for their website. The website galacticash.top, and then there was title mall. Title mall, it was not really matching any information about galacticash.top. This title mall gave me something. I mean, like, okay, could it be that these people operated some platform called mall, but now when they went to open this new site, they didn't bother to ensure that every information is correct to into the new data right now. Now, the other negative sign was that these people are using a name of a website that is already in existence. I always say that most of the scamming websites tend to use names that are already established. The name Galactic Cash is a video game. It's a video game. Its name literally is called Galactic Cash. It's more like an online casino that you can play. And so you can see this is how the game works. It is sort of a casino. Now, this is a little bit the official would be Galactic Cash, but it's called Galactic Cash. And I checked at that address. You can clearly see that the authentic official Galactic Cash has taken about 1 year, and they even have an address in their registration. They have an address in their registration, so you can reach out to them. They also have a phone number, their personal phone number for the company. Even the email address of the owner is really available in there. The owner at casinoguru.com, because that is the website, the casinoguru.com. So meaning these people are authentic, because if you can put personal information or the official company information in your website metadata, then that is trusted. That is really, really trusted. Now, if you compare it with the Galacticash.top, you can see that for it has only taken 2 weeks. And you can see that the name that they're trying to put here as organization doesn't even match anything like Galactic Cash. The email here, there's really nothing really much special with this email. It's not customized to the company name, just some vague information placed in there. And all this does not really make sense. Okay, all this does not really make sense. So all these are information that I do not totally agree with it, and its trust score is generally too low. So it brought me to the About Us. And the About Us section tells you how you can go about the quantification. Just click the button through. So you just go and when you click some button, they give you some $20 to begin with. You click some button. This is what it will be doing for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will say, okay, you have completed the task of buying and selling the cryptocurrency. But we all know that's not true. You cannot buy and sell cryptocurrency within 1 minute, even if the system is too automated. People even who are on Binance and who are trading using things like the Royal Queue, which is a robot that performs buying and selling, you cannot buy and sell within 1 minute. It's not possible. Besides that, when people are buying cryptocurrency, they have to choose. If you have a cryptocurrency in your wallet, you list it that you want to sell. Then people wants to buy are going to see all the published currencies, and then they will select, and then they will try to contact you, forward money. You know how complicated the tradings are. And so even for the bot itself, it has to wait for somebody to accept that, yes, I want to buy. So it is totally not true that you can complete the process of buying and selling all within 1 at most 2 minutes. That is totally not true. Now here, this one has completed within 1 minute. It has said it has completed and it gave the bonus in here. This is not true. This is not applicable in real life. That's not true at all. Even the cooperative financial institutions they press in here, it doesn't lead you anywhere. These are just photos, the logos for the different companies they put in here. There is no hyperlink to go to this site. Maybe we expect that if you're really cooperating with these companies, maybe your profile should appear in one of these or some of these companies. Isn't that if I click Binance, I expect it to take me to a portion of Galactic Cash within Binance, but it's not there. It doesn't work there. So I keep wondering then, how is this even connected in any way? When I looked into the documentations they have provided in here, these are the similar documents I've always reviewed on this channel, from Corsetech, Costcoin, SRAs, most of these other sites that have been operating and scamming. They have always been coming out with this financial crime enforcement network, with this seal, and with the very vague dates that does not make sense. So like this is the same, even with this Jenna, with the I think there is somebody who has this fake copy of the document, and all they do is just to keep on changing the name. All these documents are faked. There is no approval stamp that says this is a certified document, because I've ever registered companies, and all these documents has to be certified. What I would say is that do not invest here. These people are going to take up your money. They're going to eat it. It's not a long-term project in any way. But let me know what you think in the comment section.